And he knows he has
he's
so
blessed to
much
have
support.
you.
Yeah, we're both
Yeah.
super busy, but thankfully, the dad and dad's partner are the ones kind
Ay,
of,
ang galing
"May
din,
sipon ka?
nandun.
Here, let's send you food. Let's make sure that you're well." So, yes.
Galing.
So yes, it's not a secret. We've been separated for a while, and now he's happy, and I'm happy that he's happy.
Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Kinonfirma na ni Lia Salonga na matagal na silang hiwalay ng kanyang asawa si Robert Chen. Sa isang panayam kay MJ Marfori sa media call ng Les Miserables, The World Tour Spectacular na ginanap sa Parañaque, diretsahang inamin ni Lia na hindi na sila magkasama bilang mag-asawa. Ngunit malinaw na maayos ang kanilang sitwasyon ngayon. Ayon sa kanya, masaya siya na masaya na rin si Robert at nananatili ang respeto at malasakit sa isa't isa, lalo na pagdating sa kanilang anak ni si Chin. Ibinahagi rin ni Lia na kahit hiwalay na sila, inuuna pa rin nila ang pagiging magulang sa kabila ng kani-kanilang abalang buhay at maayos ang ugnayan nila pati ng bagong partner ni Robert.
So do not have kids if you think you will not be able to love your child if they come out to you and say, "Mom, I am gay. Mom, I'm a lesbian. Mom, I'm bisexual. Mom, I am trans." If under those conditions you will be your love will stop, don't have children. Yeah. It's like, don't. Just save yourself the drama, save yourself the heartbreak. Kasi kung hindi mo kaya, wag na lang. Because and I heard this, I don't know if on the internet or on television, children are not customizable. It's not like, every kid is a blind box. Let's use those terms. It's a blind box. You don't know what you're gonna get. You don't know if it's gonna be the one you want, because chances are it's gonna be the one you don't want, but that's what you get. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing. A lot of people will really, relate to it, I'm
I
sure.
hope so.
Yeah.
Because
Grabe.
kids are wonderful. Because my kid is
Magaling ni Nick.
wonderful.
Magaling siya. Magaling. I mean, talagang, you see the passion.
Yes. So
Yeah.
now he just has to work on being an actor.
Yeah.
And,
And I'm so happy he's happy.
Yeah.
Yun eh. Dahil
And you can
nasa
see
masaya
it.
siya ngayon.
Happy.
He knows himself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then and he knows he has
He's
so
blessed to
much
have
support.
you. To be to have a parent na kasing gung-ho sa
Yeah.
details, health. Ang hirap na, di
Yeah,
ba?
'cause it's hard.
Doctors. Tsaka busy ka. Busy siya.
Yeah, we're both
Yeah.
super busy, but thankfully, the dad and dad's partner are the ones kind
Ay, ang
of,
galing
"May
din,
sipon ka?
nandun.
Here, let's send you food. Let's make sure that you're well." So, yes.
Galing.
So yes, it's not a secret. We've been separated for a while, and now he's happy, and I'm happy that he's happy.
Ikinasal sina Lea at Robert noong 2004 sa Los Angeles at halos 2 dekada ring itinuring na isa sa mga low-key ngunit solid na showbiz couples. Ngayon, ang tanong mang marami, kahit maayos at happy ang lahat, mas masakit ba ang tahimik na paghihiwalay kaysa sa isang relasyong ipinaglaban hanggang dulo?